Gawa ko tapos na sila sa ano. Tapos na sila sa World 2. Oh, 10:05 ata yan. 10:05 ata mag-start yung clan match.
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Love me love. Bakit? Lagot siya. Plan for
You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling
Let's go. Looting team.
I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway.
Looting team.
So I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause you're frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Beyond you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you with your
Okay na, pwede na ata tayo bumalik. Clan War na, Clan War. Clan War. It's time. Wala na, okay na.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs
Click mo lang yung question mark sa in-game. Ito.
I'm still learning, I'm still searching.
Tapos, saan tayo mag-ano dito? Saan tayo mag-boboto?
Popping off and hit your ass, dropping
Lang
all
yan.
your shit.
Saan mag-botohan nito?
I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence. I got this, I will not quit, and I'm on it.
Saan boboto?
Launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of
Nasa website na ako ng Mirror, guys.
moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5.
Hindi siya makita.
They watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just
Ayun, tama na, pwede pala ibigay yung link eh. Yun naman pa. Time! Turbo na natin to kasi papasok na kami. Hindi pa rin nag-i-scatter. Pistiyawa talaga to.
everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling
Madali.
touching on your body,
Madali.
taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
Ay, gago pa naman ulit.
Everything you do, I can't seem to
Ayan,
get
enter match na tayo.
got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling
Enter match na, guys! Party 2. Ano yan? Ano yung big win ko? 200? 6K.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all
Ano
don't
ba yun?
y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't
PT ano to eh.
same now. I'ma tear up this
Wala, boss. Clan match update. Growth clan. Clan match here. O nga, no? Paano to?
Yeah, I'm the one that
Who will be the winner?
I swear to God I'll get it, bro.
Asia 2.
Hey, I ain't never
Ay, hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Hindi na pwede bumoto. Hindi na pwede. Tangin, hindi ko alam to. Ang ina, oo nga pala. World boss na. Paano yan? May world boss. PT, ano ba to? Oo nga, PT to. Okay guys, tayo ay magka-clan war ulit. Mamaya tayo ulit mag-scatter. Ulit guys. Round 2 ng clan war.
Oh, bumaba ka.
Sa POV na, tatas ako.
Saan party to? Sali. Lipat ko sa'yo yung ano. Okay, yan.
These guys, man.
10 seconds ah.
Sunny boy.
Hanapin yung sali agad.
Okay. Mas pa tayo ah. Ganyan talaga Lord sa una. But uwi Asia 1, hindi pa tapos eh. Hindi pa na ano lahat eh.
Working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it 'cause I'm in the zone, and you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chosen.
World boss muna, world boss.
What you think of them lately? Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All the social media has
Hindi ako nakaboto, sayang. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung ano, yung boto.
everyone's in
Hindi ko alam anong reward nito.
I really hate it, God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit, living in the real life.
World boss daw muna tayo bago tayo mag-clan match.
Sa dulo po, unang pupunta pre ha.
Find
Ako sa kabila.
Find Sunny. Let's go.
Dito tayo sa kabila. Ayun o. Ay, hindi pa ata na-occupy lahat.
Alis
So,
na kayo.
kailangan-
Alis na kayo.
Go to 3.
May nag-clock pa oh. May nag-clock pa oh.
Okay, someone help me on 3.
Okay, 3 daw.
Gago!
Trabas mo eh.
Jump! Putang ina mo, nauntog!
Sunny papunta sa to.
Ay, ginawa.
Uy, Bossel, nasa atin si Sunny. Pero tayo na trash talk na ngayon.
Occupying.
Na to, pistiyawa naman. Pwede na ata yan. Alam, may nasa taas na.
Passionate in real rhymes, steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
Mag-world boss daw muna tayo.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens. Factions take actions. Drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status. Facing the madness. I'm out.
Paano bumoto? Hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Siguro yung second week ata pwede.
Adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I'm fucking
Okay. Mag-world boss daw muna tayo guys. Tayo ay habang lagi. Ang bilis nyo naman, B.
Ayaw makyat.
Tama tumulong
na.
Hey, C3 lang oh. O ano? Gusto mo?
Ay, dito si Sunny sa akin.
Bilis mo ah.
Ayaw mo, di wag.
Sa may 6 si Sunny, sa may 6 si Sunny mo eh.
100 points. Sa may 6.
Wala, pinatay ang DTS.
Yun lang.
you. I don't ever feel
Yun lang.
I could feel
Lang, doon.
Sige.
play with me.
Sad girl na yan.
You don't know.
Babae ba yan? Yun ang babae yun eh.
You don't.
Si Sunny.
You don't ever wanna stop.
Okay, dead.
You know I'm
Dito magal.
addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with
Go
the
trash
evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when
Saan si Sunny?
dolls full of pins.
Nasa
Pierce
trip.
my heart straight through.
Dead na?
I got issues in my head.
Hintay tayo ng world boss. Scatter muna tayo sa Windsor. Nabitin ako eh. Nabitin tayo, di pa tayo nakapaldo eh. Yan, mag-win-zero muna tayo ulit guys. Habang waiting tayo sa world boss, 5 minutes pa naman. Tapos, clan war ulit ng 10:05. 10:05 bata. May laban ulit. Sila Sunny ang kalaban namin. Okay, scatter muna tayo guys.
Let's go. Time to grind, get inside your mind. Yeah, we working overtime. That's the only way to climb. We gon' make it in our prime. Signing on the dotted line, cashing checks left and right. That's the way I'm living life. I feel alive when I got a goal in sight. Chip away, I gotta fight. Ain't nobody else in sight. Man, I think I see the light. Yeah, that shit is so bright. Follow me, I got the guide. See you on the other side, son.
If you keep.
But you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Nalampas.
Wala pa tayong points, boy. Dito pwede.
Nalampas.
Yung scatter mo, legit ba yan? Paano yan? Oh, Winzir yun. Winzir.ph. Nasa pin comment. Yun. Yup.
So if I play dead, will you regret
Okay,
everything that you did?
At yun yung ano, kalaban, boy.
We need
Wala
to
pa
win
tayo.
for that 12 minutes that we lured
Yeah.
out us. That 12 minutes in the right side.
Oo, para mabilis tayo matapos.
Oh,
Ganun, hindi ako nagka-points. Nag-ano naman ako. Nag-capture.
Tingin ako nga din. Oo nga, no.
So, sino ata mo na ba, Sel? Mag-ano doon?
So get out my way, Tuesday, you can try another day, yeah. 'Cause I love the taste of winning the race, gold medal first place, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chewing at the top, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chewing at the top, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chewing at the top, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chewing at the top. I'm a vet, 'cause I work with every breath. Man, I love the taste of sweat. I won't have any regrets.
Wait lang.
They get upset.
Mag-capture.
I wish you love me
Ay,
like
ikaw
I
ba?
love you. It's true.
Yun lang.
I'm alone with you, I never
Yun lang.
lose it. I wish I wasn't stuck
Hindi
on
po.
Tumakbo.
Hindi napapatay ka.
Papatay naman kayo, guys.
Hindi malabas pa sa kanila.
Kaya,
Ba't may
Saan
point
banda?
kayo?
tapos ba't sa baba? May pula. Sa capture ko lang nakuha sa akin eh. Si Kimball, si Kimball.
Ron.
Okay.
I can feel the sweat inside my
Ron.
Ay!
Ano mo?
play with me like that.
Paalam.
Matay.
You don't understand
Ay.
Lul.
the brain.
Tumakyat.
You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Wala pa akong points, gagi.
You don't ever wanna set me free.
Di mapindot yun nasa ano.
Nag-iikot din si Bolt. Tara, boss. Abangan na natin doon sa entrance.
Wala.
where is Sunny?
Check mo, tingnan natin baka AFK na.
Hindi na lalabas yun.
When they trying just to rest, and I'm still right at my desk. Make them all feel so pressed, yeah. But that's the test. If you wanna be the best, it ain't easy, it's a mess. If you wanna have success, you keep going like possessed. Drive it deep into your chest. Every failure is a test. Learn the most, leave the rest. Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top. Yeah. No, I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop.
Mas party ata ako, dul.
So get out my way. Tuesday, you can try another day, yeah. 'Cause I love the taste of winning the race. Gold medal first place, yeah.
Boom, patay.
Ayun, nasa taas pala. Ayun na, may skill.
Nagkalaban doon sa ano.
Yun, nagpa-points na
Lumalabas.
ako. Ina mo.
Kailangan ko yung top 1 pang para sa powder.
Isipin mo kung MVP ka lagi, no?
Ay! Oh!
Ayun, si Sunny, oh. Nagbababa.
Wala lang. Ay, puta na. Hindi na on. Wala pa tayong points.
Tagal lang, Mabs.
Wala pang point.
Maganda yung pwesto ni Sunny dun, oh.
Ano ba?
I don't know where she came from.
At 100 points. Kaya nga eh. Kaso malabo ka magka-points ng ganito.
Through the grapevine, she a great time. Yeah.
Wala tayo nakuha. Istiyawa naman, oh. Scatter natin, di na pumaldo, B.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know my rat, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Which is how you
Okay. Iskatir. Iskatir.
it should be a
Ayaw na lumaban.
to look that damn fine. Gotta lock her up and throw away the key. Or you can lock her up and get the key. She likes to take it down low, drop it down to the ground
Sino nag-aaway ba doon?
floor. I just wanna go with
Gago, pangit to pag wala kang points.
Sinasabi ang perfectionist.
Tayo na lang tayo ng boss.
a rock star.
Uy, sa kabila pala una mo, eh. Nagsusulsulan. Uy.
The roster, 'cause she keeps on getting hotter and hotter.
Bra, ito si Pingi, oh.
Kailangan natin ng boss para may points tayo.
So, napila. Oo nga, mukhang dyan yung una. Dyan yung kanina, eh.
Ito ata yung mauuwi.
Ano makukuha kapag MVP? Ano siya?
Ayaw ko, kalimutan na.
Ano ba yun? Saan ba yung rewards na ito? 5 powder? 5 powder na tier. Gago, walang binibigay. Ay, gago. Sorry. Wala, boss. Clan match update. Growth plan. Clan match tier. O nga, no? Paano to? Who will be the winner? Asia 2. Ay, hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Hindi na pwede bumoto. Hindi na pwede. Tangin, hindi ko alam to. Tangina, oo nga pala. World boss na. Paano yan? May world boss. Wala, boss. Clan match update. Growth plan. Clan match tier. Oo nga, no? Paano to? Who will be the winner? Asia 2. Ay, hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Hindi na pwede bumoto. Hindi na pwede. Tangina, hindi ko alam to. Tangina, oo nga pala. World boss na. Paano yan? May world boss pala, boss. Clan match update. Growth plan. Clan match here. O nga, no? Paano to? Who will be the winner? Asia 2. Ay, hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Hindi na pwede bumawa to. Hindi na pwede. Tangina, hindi ko alam to. Tangina, oo nga pala. World boss na. Paano yan? May world boss. Wala, boss. Clan match update. Growth plan. Clan match here. O nga, no? Paano to? Who will be the winner? Asia 2. Ay, hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Hindi na pwede bumawa to. Hindi na pwede. Tangina, hindi ko alam to. Tangina, oo nga pala. World boss na. Paano yan? May world boss. Nakita ko yun.
Kung pwede lang mga Arnal dito. Kinarnal ko na to eh.
Ay no, MVP.
Maps, lalabas na. Ano?
MVP 5 powder, tas pag 1,000 points or higher ka, ito.
Okay,
Mag 1 point. Kailangan lang, 1 point lang, B.
Dikit
Pwede
yung
na.
laban. Nani, give me points.
Tikit ang puta.
Patay si Phantom, ginagawa mo dyan. Ginagawa kang points ni Sunny.
So baby girl, come with me. Yeah, we take it
Yan ang lalabas mo.
Wanna stay up all night.
Patay na lang tayo ng boss.
Wanna get it all right.
Kala ko save ng tao. Hindi. Hindi yan save ng tower.
With the red on straight.
Kasi may highest PS kasi ito na base. Kunyari, maraming nag-register sa Clan War, 32, more than 32 teams. I-ano nila yun based on PS. Sino yung mga maglalaro. Magka-clan match pa kami, kailangan natin mabilis. Kailangan natin mabilis, guys. May Clan War pa. Round 2, kailangan mabilis tayo, guys. Mag-loot. Uy, Paldo! Uy, Paldo! Let's go! Ito pa. Wala. No contest. No contest ba raw? Late to, di ba? Uy, walang magmumukbang, dos. May points kaya yung rack pag binasag?
Kaya natin yung bullet, may points ka.
Wala ata.
May boss na nakalagay eh. Ay, laban dito.
Top 1 rin ako.
Dol.
Bawi
Dol, sa akin ka magpakamatay, Dol. Boom, yun! Points ba yun? Hindi. Ay, gago, meron nga. May 5 points na ako. Thank you.
Anong
Thank
30
you.
lang? 59 sa post nilo. Ha? Nag-uusapan na boss eh. Anong 30? 29? Sabi sa live ko, 30.
Patay
Post
mo
na lang?
lang. Golem. Good luck. Wala magmumukbang. Uy, walang magmumukbang sa pamilyang to. Ay, binibigyan, B. Okay na ata, world to na. World to na.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look.
Gawan ko tapos na sila sa ano. Tapos na sila sa world to.
I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me.
Oh, 10:05 ata yan. 10:05 ata mag-start yung clan match.
30 lang sabi sa live ni Dos.
Haba siya eh, kasi
Paano mag-predict? Kailangan nata bago mag-start yung
yung fire
clan war, nagpi-predict na kayo. Nabasag nila yung ano. Tara, basagin natin. Basagin natin yan. Malay nyo, may points pala yan.
Galasitin mo pa, ha?
Gago, may boss.
gagawin ng boss dito.
Gago, may boss. Tambay na lang ako sa boss.
Di sa akin, kay ano? Kay Ghost ata. Ay, sa'yo, Moy?
Tamboy na lang ako sa
Sa'yo,
boss.
may 40 points ka na, oh.
40 lang ba yun?
30 yun, 30. 30 lang yan.
Tambay na lang ako dito.
Ano, binigay mo na lang sa akin, mo. Hindi ka naman makakahabol.
Angas mo pala.
Hindi, napatay na pala ni Crispy pa. Nag-spawn yung boss.
Clan war.
You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me
Let's
feeling
go. Looting team.
I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway.
Looting team.
So I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause you're frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Beyond you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you with your
Okay na, pwede na ata tayo bumalik. Clan war na, clan war, clan war. Clan war na, clan war. It's time.
make my thoughts work for me.
Abangan na lang ng boss na.
7 lang.
Para sa points.
I attract all the things that I see. I
Living rate.
believe as I breathe.
Ano reward sa sa round 2? Same pa din. Same pa din ba rewards pag round 2?
Si Dragon ba yun?
Same lang.
Ay, hindi ko.
Same lang. Ito pala no, may token na. Okay. May token na. Ito yung panggawa ng mount. Guys, kung alam niyo yung token, pang requirement siya sa sa mount.
Check
Doon sa bagong mount.
Wala eh.
Ano yung bagong mount? Ito. Oh. Yan. Golden Dragon.
Pero umiilaw eh, no?
Oh, umiilaw. Sakit to lang tao.
Ano ka dyan? 5 minutes na lang doon, lalabas na si ano, yung mabagal maglakad.
Time! Turbo na natin to kasi papasok na kami. Hindi pa rin nag-i-scatter. Pistiyawa talaga to.
Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling
Madali.
touching on your body.
Madali.
On a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
Ay, gago pa naman ulit.
Everything you do, I can't seem to
Ayan, enter match na tayo.
got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling.
Enter match na, guys! Party to. Ano yan? Ano yung big win ko? 200? 6K.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all
Ano
don't
ba yun?
really know. Yeah, I ain't
PT ano to eh.
same now. I'ma tear up this.
Ano ba nationalist ng owner? Pinoy yun. Pinoy yung si Ted.
Wala pa sa points yan, Pompey.
Hmm?
Anong gitna?
Ano 5 minutes? Paano malaman?
Anong